Hey, it's Thursday, y'all. Today we're jumping into Reteaching Masters 94 and 98. I got some of those problems written up right here. So either grab out a sheet of paper or grab out those worksheets so you can jot down the answers we go over, and then you can finish those up. And then after that, you guys can get signed in to the Google Classroom and upload those answers for me. So go ahead and open up the Google form that's in there for Reteaching Master 94 and 98, and go ahead, type in those answers or select the correct answer, and then we will be rocking and rolling. So far the last couple days, hopefully you guys have been doing okay. The problems we've been doing have been relatively simple, and here we go with some more simple concepts, right? So lesson 94, remember, we're just taking decimal numbers and we're rounding to the nearest whole number. Now when we do that, we want to look in the tenths place. Remember, the tenths place is a place just to the right of the decimal number, or the decimal point, sorry. So let's look at this first one. We're going to look at this one. Now remember our rule for rounding. If it's 5 or more, we're going to up that score. 4 or less, we're going to let it rest. So we're going to take it back down to the base number, the original number out front. So let's look at this, 7.19. Let me see who hasn't helped me out yet. Braden, jump up in here. So we have a 1 in that tens place. So should I round that up to 8, or am I going to round that down to 7? What do you think, son? Bingo, 7 all day long. Just like that, right? So if this number is a 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then you're going to go with the number that's in the front. Now, if it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we're going to jump it up. All right, so perfect example. Let's look at number 3. Matthew, help me out with number 3. So we have 2.80. We're looking in the tens place. What's our rule? There you go. 5 or more up the score. Is that bigger than 5? Exactly. So we're going to round that up to what? Absolutely. We're going to round it up to 3. It's that easy, right? Okay, sweet. We're already on to the next one. See how this is easy stuff right here. All right, check out. Ooh, I forgot to do my line. There we go. All right, 3.67. Now we are going to jump to Jeremiah. Jeremiah, what's up, man? Welcome to the show. All right, so 3.67. So we're looking at this 6 right here. It's in the tens place. What's our rule? 5 or more up that score, baby. All right, so 3.67. We're going to take it to 3 or take it up to 4? Absolutely. We're going to jump that thing up to 4. All day, every day. Mariah, help me out with this next one. We have 5.83 plus 8.49. I think it said sum. You know, what is the sum of these numbers? Remember, sum is addition, my friends. All right, so let's look at these tens places before we get our addition on. All right, so 5.83. Mariah, am I going to round that up to 6 or take it down to 5? Look at our rule. 5 or more, up that score. 4 or less, let it rest. It's an 8. That means we're going to have to jump it up, right? We're going to take it up to 6. And then let's look at 8.49. It's a 4. What's our rules? 5 or more up the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So we're going to take that thing down, right? We're going to take it down to 8. And then what's 6 plus 8, Mariah? That's pretty easy, right? Exactly. 14. Sweet. All right, so go ahead and keep doing those problems for lesson 94. And then we're going to jump into lesson 98 right here. Now, lesson 98, guys, all we're doing is we're multiplying and then we're counting our decimal places. Does that make sense? Let's do it. So 3 times 5. John, help me out. What's 3 times 5, bud? 15. Awesome. So we multiply. Now we need to count. 1. So we only got 1 space to move over. Move over 1 space. Drop it in there just like so. Pretty easy, right? I agree. All right, let's jump over here to 3. 3 is a little bit more tricky. Ben B, I'm going to you, bro. Help me out here. Stacking those cups. I saw you. All right, here we go. What's 3 times 2? 6. And 3 times 1? 3. Nice. I like it. And then remember, we got to put that space holder in there because from over here, multiplying times that 1 now. Now, 1 times 2? Absolutely. 1 times 1? Bingo. Add that all up for us, and that's a 6, a 5, and a 1. Now, we got to count our decimal places, don't we? 1, 2. So it's over 2 places, so we got to start here at this 6. Where am I going to stop, Ben? 1, 2. Awesome, 1.56, you got it. All right, now we're jumping to number 5. Dylan, help me out on this one. Okay, so 4 times 8 is how much, Dylan? Yup, there you go, 32. And then 4 times 1 plus 3, there you go, yup, 7. And then 4 times 2, absolutely all day. 8, awesome. Now let's count these spaces, Dylan. 1, 2, and then we got 1 there. So we got to start here. Where are we going to stop? Go ahead and yell it out. Right in front of that 8. You're absolutely right. So we move over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Drop that decimal in there, and we are good to go. Check out 9. 9's just area. All you're going to do, I think the shape was like 1.7 or something like that. All you're going to do is multiply those 2 shapes or those 2 sides together to find the area. And then make sure you label it centimeters squared, because we're only talking about the front. We're not talking about a 3-dimensional shape like a cube. Cool. Go ahead and finish those up. Remember, jump into the Google Classroom. Boom, 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 boom. Put your answers in there underneath the Reteaching 94, Reteaching 98 assignments. Good, good, got it, get it, good. All right, fantastic. I'm going to see you guys in a little while.